And so basically, there is like x1 is smaller than 4, and x2 is smaller than 12. So x2 is more, yeah, x2 become, when it becomes 6 convertible. And 3x1 plus 2x2, when it should things, when two x-axis and y-axis will be 9 and 6, and x1 and x2 always become bigger than 0. Then we are using the flag variable to make three equations. And if it is very easy to start at 0, 0, so we are starting at 0, 2. In this case, S1, S2, S3 is 4, 12, 18. What we are doing is we will make one variable as entering variable. So want to make entering variable, and we will do it again. The S1 is 4, and S2 is 2, 12 minus 12, and S3 is 18 minus 12. In this case, X2 goes to 6 faster than x2, we can say like this because there's smaller changes happen. So we choose x2 equals to 6. Then in that case, s2 becomes 0 and s3 becomes 6. And from this, if we make a equation regarding
to get the value of z.
To get the value of z, get the value of z. We change x2 with respect to s2. Then should we always make it as flag variable? Flag variables thing. And check the coefficient. That if it's negative, but if it's plus, so which we can keep going, and we keep going to make next make x1 as entering variable, then we do it again. Do you think it makes sense? Like there's like some linking verb, a linking loss is not good at here. Like coefficient of what? I think it could be flag variable possibilities. Possibilities.
So as I mentioned earlier, I also felt that I understand the basic terms and basic people are doing, but I also have like weakness or lack in between linking things.
Yeah, that's theory as proof for this concept, like coefficient of flag variable or something else. I think you should have. Thank you. This is management science after course about maximizing g, which is 3x1 plus 5x2. And there's like three constraint x1 plus s1 equals to 4, 2x2 plus s2 equals to 12, and 3x1 plus 2x2 plus s3 equals to 18. And professor said also we can start this not like this but differently. But I don't know how like we can start differently. Maybe from another point, 4, 0, something. In which way covering point will be impossible. Okay, is there any comment you want to add here?
The reason why are we doing this is the terminology and adjacent is
Adjacent cornering point.
yeah in common point because like at some point we can move y in x line. Adjacent point is that point is all feasible focal points, but when we move through just one x or one y, it adjacent. So, like for example, here we can move y line, then it's adjacent here, and when we move x line, it becomes here. So that's the reason why
we are doing entering and entering variables. So we are moving, right? We are moving these. What is this? Like these polygons at certain.
Yeah. The first augmented form is when we think this is a start, like here. So when we move off, it adjacent. So here.
Yes.
And when we consider here, the second augmented form maybe will start like 4, something like that. That's the also adjacent from here. That's the terminology like adjacent only move in just one. Okay. Only x line moves on y line.
Or maybe from here, then we can have like x and y.
Yeah.
Do you think so?
No. Adjacent is the term that
Can we move from here to here?
Moving in adjacent is the kind of different terminology. So yes.
Maybe we can move from first X from here to here and here to here.
Yeah.
Like if we consider like change augmented forms like 1 unit to move. Move 15. 자, 1. 이거는 X's.
하나의 지점에서 움직이면 서로가 어디서
Here is not adjacent.
그럼 아는 거지.
Is there any more comment?
어.
Okay. Thank you.